Okay, so in this video, we're going to demonstrate an innovative shoulder press variation. So obviously, again, if you're watching this during lockdown, you might be limited in terms of what equipment you have available, in particular, a bench. So if you are somebody that is unfortunately unable to use a bench, especially one that inclines to around about 90 to 40 degree incline, it's going to make a shoulder press exercise difficult to execute. So if you are somebody that is fortunate to have something like a bench rack, a squat rack, like the one that you can see in this video, there is a way that we can innovate and emulate a shoulder press variation and create that stability that we need, in particular around the spine. So obviously when we're using a bench, we have that incline, we're pushing back into that bench. That's going to create that stability through the actual spinal vertebrae and make the entire exercise more efficient. So what we're going to do here in this demonstration is, I'm fortunate to have a squat rack which essentially plays two roles. It can be used as a squat rack and also as a bench rack. So what we've done here is we've got the barbell in place. Then ideally you want to use something just to provide a little bit of comfort and cushioning. So if you have a pad like this, use that. If not, use something like a pillow, a cushion, some towels, maybe some clothes, like get some coats and that, wrap it around there, and that's just going to create some comfort around your back as you're leaning into it. Now, in terms of the actual execution, as you can see here, I'm using these incredibly heavy dumbbells. But what we're going to do is we're just going to lean back into that barbell, and then essentially we have created a shoulder press variation. We've got that stability now through the spine, like I mentioned. We can't go back, we can't really go forward because we're leaning back into the bar. And that again is just going to create more efficiency in terms of the execution of the exercise here that I'm about to demonstrate. So what we're going to do in this position is perform a shoulder press. Like I said, we're leaning back into the bar slightly and then just execute. Simple as that.